Hello children, today I'm going to teach you how to make a bubble maker. For this, we need a bottle. You can use a big bottle or a small water bottle, like this one. So this is what we're going to do. First, if you're using this, you need to drink the water. Now, I have this bottle and I'm going to peel all around, and I'm going to make a line around so that I can cut straight. Do you see? Okay, now I need scissors, and I'm going to start cutting along the line. Excuse me. And I have it back. Now we need fabric, but not a regular fabric. This is a net fabric. Do you see? You can see through. And you need to cut a square that is big enough. Cut a square. Okay, and I hope it's big enough. If not, I'll have to cut another square. Okay, now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put the square at the bottom of the bottle, just like this, and we're gonna hold it with a rubber band. It might be a little tricky. Maybe you can have somebody who can help you. See, it's a little tricky, as I told you. And there we go. Hopefully it will hold and last for, at least to show you what's going on. Okay, see, it's covered. Bottle, net, rubber band. Now we need a plate, and in this plate we're gonna put water, not too much, and we're gonna add dish soap, and I'm going to mix it. I'm gonna use my spork. Do you remember this? Gonna mix it. It smells so good. This is really good. And now I'm going to dip the bottle in the water and did you see that? It looks like ice cream. And I have big bubbles and small bubbles. Can you see that? Pop, 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 pop. Again, I'm gonna dip it in the water and can you see? Isn't that fun? And pop, 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 pop. Last time. Isn't that fun? Maybe you could do that outside on a nice warm day. And then maybe you can add a little food coloring. We'll make it colorful with blue and red and yellow. Make the bubbles colorful and pretty. And that's it for today. Goodbye.